Ombudsman Morales accused me of having 10 to 12 million US dollars in 82 bank accounts. That is a malicious lie. And I will be using the Ombudsman's own diagram, which you see on the screen, to expose the malicious lie she unleashed, which was intended for no other reason but to destroy my reputation. A careful analysis of the AMLAC report would show that many of these accounts were already closed and the funds thereof transferred to settlement accounts. These bank accounts represent time deposits or investments. Each time a time deposit would mature and be rolled over, a new account would be created or consolidated to make a new placement to earn higher interest. These funds would then be transferred from one account to another in order to earn more interest. I repeat, ladies and gentlemen of this honorable tribunal, inuulit ko po sa taong bayan, wala po akong 82 bank accounts, dollar accounts. I do not have 82 dollar accounts as charged by the Ombudsman. The alleged AMLAC report itself, contrary to the Ombudsman's misleading representations, will show that there are only 4 dollar accounts by December of 2012. 4, not 82. 4. For example, in BPI Acropolis branch, which only had 7 and not 8 bank accounts. All these bank accounts in BPI Acropolis were closed as early as 2004 to 2005 and transferred to BPI Tandang Sora and PS Bank Cainta. Thus, there were no longer any bank accounts in BPI Acropolis. For BPI Tandang Sora branch, the Ombudsman said that I allegedly had 18 accounts in said branch. But the alleged AMLAC report will also show that all these accounts were closed during the period 2004 to 2007 and transferred to BPI San Francisco del Monte and PS Bank Cainta. Makikita po ninyo dun sa screen, paliit ng paliit yung pie na sinabi ni Ombudsman Morales na meron daw ako. The same goes for the 34 accounts in BPI San Francisco del Monte. The accounts in this branch were closed beginning 2007 to December 2011. Yun po, makikita ninyo, kakapiringgot na lang po natitira. The last account to be closed was the main account, account number 3244108104 BPI MIC. The BPI Investment Management Incorporated account was sourced from the BPI San Francisco del Monte main account number 3244108104. This was closed on December 19, 2011, and the funds thereof or therein transferred to main account number 3244108104 For Allied Bank, these placements include the Citibank and 2 Deutsche Bank accounts. The main account for Allied Bank is account number 158-200-2676. The alleged AMLAC records show that most of the Allied Bank accounts, including those accounts representing the placements made by Allied Bank in Citibank and Deutsche Bank, were closed and the funds thereof transferred to the main account, and this main account was closed in December of 2011. For PS Bank, all the bank accounts in PS Bank Cainta were closed between August and October of 2008, and the funds in these accounts were transferred to PS Bank Katipunan. In PS Bank Katipunan, the alleged AMLAC report shows only the last 2 PSB Katipunan accounts were account numbers 01410-24292 and 01310-02826. Yan po, payat na po natitira. Hence, contrary to the Ombudsman's testimony, the alleged AMLAC report shows that there were only $4 accounts as of December of 2011, namely BPI San Francisco del Monte account number 3244-108104,
PS Bank.
Allied Bank account number 158-200-2676, PS Bank account numbers 01410-24292 and 01310-02826. Yan po ang natira sa sinasabi niya one big pie ni Ombudsman Morales. Meron po akong tanong kay Ombudsman Carpio Morales. Ginang Ombudsman, kayo po ba ay pinapatulog pa ng konsyensya ninyo kung meron po kayo nun? Alam mo namang wala akong 10 to 12 million US dollar deposits at wala akong 82 bank accounts. Bakit mo naman pinapangandakan sa publiko ang kasinungalingang ito?
Your Honor, please, may I move to strike out those statements? They have no place in a trial.
Nung ikaw ay tumistigo,
Wait.